I can remember back when I had my very first adjustment by Dr. Saylor, and that was back when they did the hands-on type of chiropractic then. And this is since a new thing to me. So I started coming, and it's very different, and I would really recommend it to people that are afraid of being hurt when they have chiropractic services. I know that there was times when they used to do the head adjustment where they would hold your head and your chin and turn your head. Well, a lot of people want to tense up for that, so they hesitate coming to a chiropractor. I've been to several different chiropractors, but I've got to say this is one of the most gentle treatments and effective treatments that you can get. So it's just become part of my life to come and get adjusted, and you can get a massage afterwards. It's been great. Initially, it was my back, the type of work that I do. I'm at a computer a lot. You tend to tense up with your shoulders and your neck. And that was originally why I saw Dr. Saylor. I've had a lot of different surgeries, so there's been follow-up to that. I've had knee surgeries, and just to come and get adjusted before or after that really helped. I've been here 13 years. Well, the staff, they treat you like family. And you always are acknowledged by name, and you're always made to feel really comfortable. So this is definitely a great place to come, and the KST is really something that every person should try. Absolutely. One of the things that I was just so thrilled with when I came in here, and it's more of aesthetic thing, but Dr. Saylor has painted animals all over her walls, and it is always a place to come in and you just want to look around with her little pet gerbils, and it's real kid friendly. No kids are ever crying here. They can't wait to go in and get adjusted. They just have a really good experience here.